Here's a perfect trick for cleaning your car upholstery. Spills from drinks will be a thing of the past, and unpleasant odors will disappear. With it, you can refresh your car's interior quickly and for free. Take a bowl and fill it with warm water. Next, take a laundry detergent pod. Throw the pod into the water and wait for it to dissolve completely. Mix everything to create a cleaning foam. Take an ordinary small towel and soak it in the mixture. Thoroughly wring out the excess water. It's important that the towel is damp but not dripping. You'll be cleaning the car in sections, so it's best to start with the passenger seat. Lay the towel on the car upholstery. Place a pot lid on top of it, which is the key item for this trick. This is what makes the method successful. Fold the corners of the towel towards the center so that you can grasp them along with the pot lid handle. The whole setup should be tightly stretched. Clean the upholstery in circular motions, moving the lid over the entire surface. When the towel dries, soak it again to repeat the process on other parts. The upholstery will smell and look like new, and your car will be like it just came from the showroom.